You know, this is a crazy enough project the way it is. If we get any sort of decent section top to bottom, we're going to be in good shape. So
that's piece of cake. I like frosting on my cake.
Swings like Maddie, don't he?
Huh, these are made of dirt.
That's why I said you were wrong.
As a history teacher I had in high school said that if you don't look about history, you lose out what's going on.
Yeah. Okay. They might get a pile instead of...
Come here, boy. Speak up now or forever hold your peace. Oh.
Here's a nice chunk.
There's a nice
That's one of the things we want to find out. Yeah. What all of the
Okay. Great idea. Yep.
Three by three by three. Okay, that's 2 out there.
Yep.
Slide her out backwards, Larry.
Oh, they're going to tear it apart and see what kind of weed seeds are in it, what kind of animals are in it, and they'll probably find musk thistles and leafy spurge and things that are here on the ground anyhow, so whatever.
Okay. Oh, are you going to hold it on?